My mom is straight and my mom told me and I'm back home late because she is worried that something will happen to me.
Hey, Jimmy, what time is it, huh? Don't you know that I'm worried that something might happen to you? Oh my God, sit down, eat, and do all your assignments, huh?
When I'm home, I do all my assignments before using my phone.
Hey, what's that? You're always on your phone. I told you to do all your assignments. No, I see your score. It's so low. Are you doing your assignments? Make sure that you finish all your assignments. Show me. Is this all your performance tasks? Oh my God. I'm sorry that I just care about you. I'm just being strict because I know that if you're distracted, is that good? Not good for you. I'm sorry.
My mom always understanding, but it's not a big deal for me because I love the art center.
Afternoon, everyone. We are the group 3. When I was a child, I was very physically active, healthy, and carefree. But all of this changed a few years later, at age 12. I was struck with an unknown disease. I couldn't move, and I was very weak. My parents were very sick, so they took me to the hospital. But then, I'm sorry, mother, but your child is positive with COVID-19. My parents were devastated, but they let me undergo the 14 days quarantine nonetheless. However, when it was done, another problem arose, and I was instead sent to another room. There, my parents were given the horrible news. Dear parents, your child has heart disease. My parents were in deep grief because it was the same sickness as my older sister. But now I had it too. Nonetheless, they told me the news. And of course, I was frustrated and sad. But then a realization came to me. I am 16 now. I still have this illness, but it does not stop me. I participate in physical activities like dancing. I socialize, and I am academically achiever. And most of all, I am happy.
Is that Nico? Yes, this is normal for me that to understand. Yes, yes. Oh, Nico, did you know how to read it and to understand? Good, you're good. Good. Sorry. One equals eight.
Group 6 tayo.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group. With highest honors, an average of 98%. Emily Bowet. With high honors, Alex Nag. With honors, Richie Rogador. Man. Una. Good job, ate. Uy, Mare! Do you know something about my sister? She is a current in Korean and I couldn't believe that he got this screen. Oh, no, 98, 1996, oh my gosh. Okay, by the way, we have to go. Wait. How about your son, Joe? Don't mind him, but you know already that he's busy and he's always talking on something. Hey! Because babe, what? What's happened to you, Grace? You didn't see your sister? She's somebody between them. She's with us. And why with this 75? What's happened? Ben? Where's the best you made?